Well, good morning. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe that I found online. I was going to do something with some spam. Now, a lot of people don't like spam. A lot of people think, oh, it's processed, it's gross, it's got all these chemicals in it. Actually, spam only has pork, water, salt, modified potato starch, sugar, and sodium nitrate. So it's not too bad. But you know what? I found a recipe that kind of got me curious. It sounds kind of gross, but I'm willing to try it. So stay tuned and check out what I'm making this morning. So this recipe is weird to me. I've never... Oh, really? Seriously? Now, how the hell am I going to open that? I hope it opens up with a can opener. Whew, it took me a bit, but I got it. Thank God for a can opener. They usually have the tab on the side. They don't have it anymore. They have it on the top now. What a pain in my butt. I just perfected the other way. So this is breakfast this morning, so I think I'll make some coffee to go with this beautiful, strange recipe. Kind of scared about it, but kind of excited at the same time. So the recipe asks for the spam to be sliced and then fried up in the frying pan until they're crispy. Ooh, so let's do that. You hear some gurgling, it's the coffee. Perking in the background. I think that's what you call it, percolating. So I got some oil, olive oil in the frying pan. My beautiful copper frying pans. Now I'm going to take a sharp knife and cut them, not too thick. And it asks for 3 slices. But I'm going to do the whole thing because I'm going to eat them on the side as well. This is going to be incorporated with something else, which is going to blow your mind. Jay has no clue what I'm making. He knows I'm making something with spam, but has no clue what I'm making. So, don't add no salt, don't add no pepper, don't add anything. Just plain Jane and bake it till it's crispy. Or cook it till it's crispy. So while we wait for the spam to crisp, let's do the second part of the recipe. So we're going to take this bread here. 4 slices. And we're going to add butter on each side of those slices. So you got to cheese, right? This is what he says. Butter up. And what's the what's the other? Check out the spam. See if it's crispy on the one side. Start to stick. Shit. Oh, it's starting. Yeah, that's going to be good. I love this stuff. It's like mock bacon to me. But those of you that follow me know that I cook spam and luncheon meat often in the frying pan, or bologna. So this is not new for me. But the recipe is, what I'm going to incorporate this with will blow your mind. You'll be like, what? No. Maybe. No. But I'm willing to try it for you all. Let you know how it tastes. So I'm going to keep a little bit of that grease in there. And I'm going to stir up the recipe. It's going to blow your mind. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put this face down. And we're going to add some peanut butter. I heard Jay go, yuck. Jay's like, what the fuck? Because he does know what's going on, right? He knows that I'm making breakfast and it's a weird recipe. Oh, this is hard to do. I should have done it before I put it on there. Oh shit. Okay, well that's good enough. I can't take it out now and do it. So I'm just gonna try to hold it down. Ah, it's hot. Stupid Nat. But that's what they told me to do, right? That's what the recipe says. Peanut butter. Okay. So we got the peanut butter in there. All right. And then it says to put some jam. Grape jam. I don't have grape jam. But I have blueberry homemade jam. So blueberry homemade jam it is, fellas. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Look at that. There we go. I don't know. That looks good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Doesn't that look delicious, boys and girls? Doesn't that look fantastic? Does, doesn't it? Now let's screw it up. This is from the website. It's one of their recipes, so it has to be good. They wouldn't put it up there if it wasn't, right? So I'm just gonna, I can fit only 2 pieces on here. There you go. Then you just put face up the butter and you make it like you would a grilled cheese. You know, guys, it's probably really good. Like, why else would they have it on the website, right? Okay. I'm scared to turn it because I don't know. Ah, hot! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did it! Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Woo! Okay, I gotta show you what it looks like. Like, it looks really good. It looks delicious. It looks fabulous. But will it taste good? Okay, Jay, it's gonna be ready in like a minute. Are you scared? He says he's a little bit scared. I've been excited about it because I like to try new things, and this is just the weirdest thing I've ever seen in a recipe. Like, the weirdest concoction, right? But it's peanut butter, it's jam, it's peanut butter and jam. And the Spam. I can't see it being awful. Here is the peanut butter and jam. Well, here is the grilled Spam peanut butter and jam. Dum, bum, bum. So I'm going to cut it up and show you what it looks like. Okay. So here's the peanut butter and jam. Oh, yeah. Wonder if it's going to be good. I'm excited. All right. We're at the dinner table. I'll just fix this camera here. Okay. So this is our Spam. Wait. Don't try it yet. Wait. Grilled Spam and peanut butter. Or whatever you call it. Spam grilled cheese. Fucking, I don't know what to call it. Wait. Okay. It's PB and jam. PB and Spam. PB and Spam. So who's going to try it first, or do you want to try it together?
Let's try it together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, hot. Fuck's sakes. Burn my thumb.
Yeah, the jam was hot.
Jam's very hot. Just burned my thumb. Only Natty, right?
The bread is nice and crunchy. You can taste the peanut butter. And you can taste the Spam. Actually, not bad at all.
I'll show you. Oh, never mind. It's dripping everywhere. You know what? It's surprisingly delicious.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Mm. I'd make this again.
I'd eat this again.
I figured they had it on their website, on the spam website, so I'm going to put that link below. And, well, if they had it on their site, it must be good, right? This is actually...
How'd they ever figure this out?
I don't know.
I would never put spam together with peanut butter and jam.
Someone smoked a joint and then made a sandwich? Probably. It's when the best concoctions come out, right? Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's got a little bit of saltiness from the spam. Like, you don't really taste... It doesn't taste meaty.
No.
Because there's sugar in there. There's, like, you know, the jam, the peanut butter. But it's got that little bit of salty taste to it, too. Oh, it's good. Mm. More texture. Mm. Mm. Babe, I think we found a new thing to do with spam.
Mm-hmm. Peter, if you're watching this, you got to try this out. This is good.
Yeah, Peter. Look, spam. Spam. Peter hates spam. I'm going to get him to eat this. We're probably saying, oh, like hell you are.
You got to try it out. It's really good.
It's really good. Mm-hmm. Delicious. I'm going to get my dad to try that.
I love my peanut butter and jam. I never mess with it, but now I would. This is good.
Uh-huh. It's even better than bananas, I find. Banana peanut butter and jam.
Mm-hmm.
It's too sweet, but that just gives a nice texture to it. Mm. A little bit of salt. Mm.
I'm not sure if the salt's coming from the bread or from the spam.
Mm. Not from the bread. No salt on the bread. I didn't add nothing to the bread.
Mind you, it is a little bit messy. That jam does like to go everywhere.
Mm-hmm. It's homemade jam, too. Blueberry jam.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Got it from my sister.
Mm-hmm. Was it your aunt's recipe?
I'm not too sure. I know she's supposed to have made it with my aunt, I think.
Well,
Either
thanks.
way, thank you. It was a really good jam there.
Yeah.
That, Anita.
Thanks, Nita. We got to send her to this video.
Mm-hmm.
Kids are going to be excited. Look! She's on the video again. Well, I'm delightfully surprised.
Mm-hmm.
Another challenge, another recipe, another video. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to try this. Let me know if you like it and if you're brave enough to try it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment below. Bye for now. Just delightful. I like that.
That was really good.
Oh, God, yeah.
You gonna make more now?
Not today, but I will. I still got, like, many cans left in the pantry, so. Nice little snack. I'm going to get Glenn to try that. You think he'll do it?
I think we should give him like a shout out to everything, an online challenge. A challenge him to do this.
Yeah. You know what? I won't even tell him when I'm making it. I'm making it for him when he comes over. And I'll just say, here, try this.
Oh,
What is it? Peanut butter and jam, grilled cheese kind of thing, you know? Like.
Warmed up peanut butter and jam.
Yeah. I'll try it.
Immediate.
Oh, this is really good.
I think you're recording.
Am I? Oh, shit, I am.